great, all the kids' activities to keep these two occupied, and all the food trucks are fantastic.
The face painting and all of my family come.
We live in the City of Wanneroo, so it's always great to be able to do some free things within the local area.
Great that the kids have a chance to go to something like this because they usually don't.
Hopefully seeing the bands inspires other kids to make hits.
WA is the best place to have events like this because we've played like 4 or 5 of them now and we just don't see anything like it back over in Eastern Australia, anywhere.
All the way over there.
Yeah. So yeah, we love this kind of thing, and like family events, and it's packed. And
a bit annoyed that they're playing Taylor Swift and then this before we go on though.
Yeah, that's annoying.
It's a hard act to
and
follow.
then Birds of Tokyo after us. But
yeah, it's all a mess.
That's alright.
Birds of Tokyo, that's like just a dream come true. Plus getting our name out there, just being on this lineup would have boosted us dramatically. So yeah,
thanks City of Wanneroo.
Something like this is pretty cool. This is something we don't do often, like events that are like this. They're sort of family-based things and put on by local council. So I think we've only done like 1 or 2 of these in our whole career. So yeah, we're stoked.